One TV special report.
Inasmuch as we want to bring you to the final round, this is a competition. All of you are winners. To complete the final five, from 8 of them, only 5 will proceed to the next round. The final spot goes to Binibini number 5. And to the rest of the Binibinis, I always say, you are all winners. Let's also give them a big round of applause. You are all phenomenal. You are empowered young women. There we go. To the top 5 Binibinis, let's give them a big round of applause. The good news is you are advancing to the final round. The slightly not good news is you will now be facing this breathtaking and nerve-breaking question and answer round. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's pageant doesn't only provide a platform for our young Binibinis to showcase their abilities, but it is also an opportunity to make transformative and uplifting impact in the other people's lives here in our beloved barangay. And now, we will have this segment, which is gonna be a measure of knowledge, intelligence, and eloquence of the top 5 Binibinis. This is one of great importance, and of course, this is often considered one of the most spontaneous and difficult rounds in every beauty pageant. So, Binibinis, it is now time to speak your mind and share your thoughts to one question. So I have here the question, and all of them will be sharing their thoughts on this. I will be calling you according to the order of announcement. 8, 6, 3, 2, and 5. And just like earlier, among gihangyop nga, pwede na mo singgit before or ayha and after mo answer ang atuang mga kandidata. There we go. Binibini number 8. Let's go. The final question is, if you will be crowned as Binibining Kinuman Sur 2024, how will you support the vision of our province? That is Misamisnon, Magpuyong Malinawon, Malambuon, ug Malipayon. One more time. If you will be crowned as Binibining Kinuman Sur 2024, how will you support the vision of our province, that is Misamisnon, Magpuyong Malinawon, Malambuon, ug Malipayon?
If I will be crowned Binibining Miss Kinuman Sur 2024, I will work to achieve the vision of our province. Misamisnon, Magpuyong Malinawon, Malambuon, ug Malipayon, by fostering collaboration within communities, supporting local businesses, and promoting sustainable practice. Through mentally outreach and advocacy, I will work to ensure that every Misamis
is Binibini number 8. Let's hear the thoughts of Binibini number 6. And the same question will be thrown at her. Binibini number 6. If you will be crowned as Binibining Kinumansur 2024, how will you support the vision of the province that is Misamisnon, Magpuyong, Malinawon, Malabuon, ug Malipayon?
If I were crowned as Binibining Kinumansur 2024, I would wholeheartedly embrace the responsibility of being a role model to my fellow Misamisnon. I believe that the vision of our province, Misamisnon, Magpuyong, Malinawon, Malambuon, ug Malipayon, is not just a dream, but a shared mission that begins with each one of us. As a daughter of farmer parents, I will advocate programs to ensure our farmers to sustain agricultural community. As a teacher, I will endorse the education to have a key to peace, progress, and a sustainable education for all. I stand here tonight not just as candidate, but as a proud Misamisnon who is committed to leading by example, because remember that the future of our community is in our hands. It depends on how and when we are going to move. So why do we need to wait for tomorrow if we can make it today? Misamisnon, let us unite for a future that is truly Malinawon, Malambuon, ug Malipayon. Therefore, if we value our life, then we should value our community for a better tomorrow.
We have heard Binibini number 6. Please step forward, Binibini number 3. Let's go, and please share your thoughts on the same question. Binibini number 3, if you will be crowned as Binibining Kinumansur 2024, how will you support the vision of our beloved province that is Misamisnon, Magpuyong, Malinawon, Malambuon, ug Malipayon?
If I will be crowned as Binibining Kinumansur 2024, I will support the vision of our province with the help of our local government by promoting inclusivity where every Misamisnon feel loved, included, and valued despite of their differences, their beliefs, culture, traditions, and gender. And through this, we can embody the vision of our province, Misamisnon, Magpuyong, Malinawon, Malambuon, ug Malipayon, where discrimination doesn't exist. Thank you.
Here we go. Inclusivity is for Binibini number 3. Now, your turn, Binibini number 2. Let's hear this time, Binibini number 2. Answer this question, or the same question, if you will be crowned as Binibining Kinumansur 2024, how will you support the vision and mission of our province that is Misamisnon, Magpuyong, Malinawon, Malambuon, ug Malipayon?
If I am crowned Binibining Kinumansur 2024 tonight, I would dedicate myself to supporting the vision of our province by guarding the values of peace, progress, and happiness in my actions. I will promote pagkamalinawon by being an example who follows the laws and regulations of our barangay. For progress or pagkamalambuon, I will advocate on a local agricultural community to highlight the rich resources of our place because I know we have so much to offer. Lastly, I will champion pagkamalipayon by focusing on well-being, creativity, and cultural pride. With these actions, I aim to bring positive change, continued growth, and success on our beloved Kinumansur para kitang tanan, Magpuyong, Malinawon, Malambuon, ug Malipayon. Thank you!
It's about peace, progress, and happiness for Binibini number 2. Finally, please step forward. Binibini number 5. Binibini number 5. If you will be crowned as Binibini Kinumansur 2024, how will you support the vision of our beloved province, that is Misamis-non, Magpuyong, Malambuon, Malipayon, Malinawon, Malambuon, o Malipayon. There we go. Misamis-non, Magpuyong, Malambuon, o Malipayon.
If I will be crowned as Binibini Kinumansur 2024 tonight, I will fully support the vision of Misamis-non, Magpuyong, Malinawon, Malambuon, ug Malipayon by actively promoting peace, progress, and happiness within our province. I will engage with local communities to foster unity and collaboration, advocating for sustainable development that benefits all Misamis-nons. By working closely with local leaders and organizations, I aim to create an environment where every individual can thrive, contributing to the province goals of peaceful, prosperous, and joyful future for all. This aligns perfectly with our province values and its vision of a harmonious and prosperous community. Thank you.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. 5 Binibinis shared their thoughts on how they can support the 5 M's of the province of Misamis Occidental. And you all nailed it! Let's give the top 5 Binibinis a resounding applause. And at this time, you can have some moments at the backstage because you have given powerful words. And truly, your barangay is so proud of you, considering that you really deserve to be called the voices of the young women and the young people here in Barangay Kinumansur. Later on, we will be welcoming back our top 5 Binibinis because that is gonna be the moment of truth when we announce the runners-up and Binibining Kinumansur 2024. But at this time, as we bask in the afterglow of this incredible night, we are extending our gratitude to everyone who made this event possible. And with that, to express gratitude, we will be inviting here on stage the leader who I would say has been instrumental to the realization and success of tonight's activity, and all of the activities along with the barangay officials are our Sangguniang Kabataan leaders, and that is why we will be hearing at this time the words coming from the Sangguniang Kabataan Federation President of Ozami City, ex-official City Councilor, Honorable John Fel Dayundon Duhay Lungsod. A big hand, please.
Thank you, Sir Joey Revelo, Master Teacher 2 from Ozami City National High School. Thank you. Sa kadaghan ng event, ang amuang naduan, murag diri ko sa ako ang mismong barangay nga nahulba. Tungod kay wa nako damha ang inyong suporta, nga inyong ipakita para ang atoan the first ever Binibining Kinumansur magmalampuson dinhi sa tuang barangay. Salamat ninyong tanan, of course, uban sa suporta sa mga barangay officials headed by Kapitan Ricky Alvarez sa atong pagpakan. Tagay ko sa mga sponsors kaya itong basahon itong mga pangalan. Ang mga sponsors kay basit umalik. Ingon maano sa atong pagpasalamat. Una, ngadto sa dili man ni mahimo kung ako lang isa ni, of course, na ang barangay officials, ang coordinations team, the headed Mr. Gilbert, ato pagpakan, Sir Gilbert, grabe, ka-power ni Sir J. Perminti, naara ka pahibig sa Dublin. Of course, the pageant director, the Honorable Vina Plaza Laranjo, ato pagpakan, Konsihala Vina from Barangay Pulog. Of course, ang ato ang picture. Sugod pa lang sa photoshoot dito sa Tanggob City, Huyuhoy. No? So ato na ko pagpasalamat po kang Governor Henry Sevilla Waminal. Pag-istorya ni Gov nga atong hiyon ang AGG kanito mag-photoshoot ang ato ang mga kandidata. Yes, permis si Gov. Advice Sir Jake, marami ni Gov, perminti wala naka-experience ang ato ang mga kandidata nga nag-photoshoot dito sa Tanggob City Global Garden sa pagpakan si Governor Henry Waminal, Congressman Ando Waminal o si Mayor Indy Waminal nga naagid permi nakasuporta ingon man ni Sir Lloyd Montejo ang ato official photographer pagpakan Sir Lloyd tinggal pa si Sir Lloyd daghan po single dere Sir Lloyd. Of course ang sa ato ang production katong inyo nakita kaganina nga maayo manayaw ang ito ang mga kandidata way laing ka train ato pagpakan Sir June Carpio. Sir John, pakita Sir John. Nasa luyon na si Sir John, no? Kusog mga saba para magpun sa ilang mga kandidata. Kabalo ko ang mga kandidata siguro misulti sa ilang girikana, ilang mga kaila. Grabe mga saba Sir John. Tungod mampun para maayo ang ilahang pagdala dagan sa tuang stage, no? Inyo mga nakita. And also ang mga makeup artists sa tuang mga kandidata na diri sa kilid, diri na to isa-isa ato pagpakan, Sir Bon, Sen, 30, Leah, isa pa to? Lashley, Sir Arnel, Sir Arnel, Sir Arnel, ato pagpakan ang ato ang mga makeup artists. Of course, ang kadalasan dagan sa tuang program ato pagpakan Sir Joey Marie Rivelo, Sir. Thank you kayo. And also ang ato ang mga Board of Judges headed by the Chairman of the Board, the Chairman sa Committee on Tourism sa Guliang Panglungsod. Pagpakan nato ang atoan ng giingon nga taga-Kinuman mampot yutaan man dinhi. Hambugira kini si Kusel Dinky kay yutaan na sila sa Barangay Kinuman. Honorable Roland Dinky Suiso Jr. GD pagpakan Konsihal Dinky Suiso. Kauban niya ang ato ang Tourism Officer ato pagpakan Sir Jaime Tumada, si Sir Fred Paulo Sumailo ato pagpakan Miss Ascenso Zamis 2024 Ma'am Taiko, Ma'am Kyle Taiko, thank you ma'am. And of course ang usa sa mga part no sa kini nag-champion ang perangat sa dinis ato ang cluster ato ang judge karon Miss Nicole ato pagpakan. Thank you kayo ninyong tanan. Ingon man ang ato mga sponsors. Ako na basahon ang ato mga sponsors kay basig dili na mobalik sunod. Kung naapay sunod, gusto ko ba mong naapay sunod? Apuhon. This is na po desisyon. No? Ato pagpakan ang Gabs Bake Shop, Sir Alton Adri, iyahang representative, si ang manager sa Gabs Bake Shop, ma'am, o ang iyang kauban, thank you. Of course, ang Soleil LPG, si Sir John Kerwin C. No? Sa Soleil, thank you so much. Ang kang Kapitan June Ignacio, pat kabuok ang iyang sponsor sa pagpakan si Kapitan June Ignacio. Of course, ang Nikos Cafe at ang pagpakan Vicky Salon. Kang may pagtapik-tapik ang Vicky, no? Daghang salamat. And ang Flower Solution, marang nilakaw na. Thank you so much kang ilahang Donabel, no? And ako kauban sa buhat, Tatay Jimmy Lirasan, sponsor ko sa kagdata, thank you. Ang VMC of Hospital Trading Choice Award, Sir Mike Ibanez, ilakaw na, thank you, salamat kayo. The Brochipol Salon and Spa Choice Award, thank you. Ang Rosebud's Cooperative, nadari ang manager, napo dari ang presidente, gusto mo magpa-member sa Rosebud, wala lang, para after magpa-member, mo loan ta. No, nadari sa Rosebud sa kilid, pwede na mo doon. Next, ang DAR Aesthetic Clinic Choice Award, Dian, thank you. Mads Dian, thank you. Of course, okay, hindi man wala ang SK Federation, no? Ang Bryant Milling and Marketing, atong pakpakan, Bryant Milling and Marketing nga naagyo diri si Ma'am Prudence. Thank you. Ma'am Brian Miling, ipaabot ni Sir Francie ang among pagpasalamat sa permenting pag-iya sa mag-sponsor. Of course, ang Simply G Choice Award. Natin salamat kayo, sir. Thank you, ha. Thank you. Ang Migasoft Choice Award kang manager na Adres Elfie Inchang. Thank you. Sunod na pod. And of course, ang atuang Usami City Police Station headed by Lieutenant Colonel Harvey Abilianosa. Nga kagahapon pa na-contact yun actually si Ma'am Des ang atuang deputy sugod yun, no? Mga mo sponsor o kaninyong tanan, barangay workers, barangay, of course, PPAX, PHW, mga ginikanan, purok presidents, mga lumulupyo sa barangay Kinumansor. Salamat kayong ninyong tanan sa inyong ipakita ng suporta. Unta, hangtod sunod, naaragyapon ta magsinuportaay para atong papadayon kay kami sa Sangguniang Kabataan at sa barangay officials amorang buhaton ang among boto makaya kung kamo na nakasuporta kay dili nako makaya ang tanan kung wala mo nakasuporta kay actually pagplano na mo nga imod na ang Binibining Kinumansor nagitoko nilang Arvin nangayong advice ni Sir J and of course ni Konsehal Binky nga kada adto sa opisina kada session ikong konsting ipadayon ba ang Binibining Kinumansor kay basig walay mga apil sig walay mo apil nagkaduol ang deadline sa submission sa Binibining Kinumansor murag intense kayo kasi sige paghulbot o kandidata kinsay mo apil mo nang ang ubas ultian balibad pa no unta next time dito mo balibad kay kami maningkamot mi inyo hapong ma-experience kung sa pa'y dapat ninyong ma-experience. Salamat ninyo. Hangtod sunod, kaming ulan na para mahuman na nagkasalamat kung mayong gabi kaninyong tanan.
Here we go, our SK Chairman and SK Federation President, and may request Honorable Loy Lungsod to remain because we'll also be requesting the barangay officials at this time, headed by Honorable Ricky G. Alduesa, our punong barangay, as we will be giving these certificates of appreciation as we thank all the members of the selection panel for sharing their precious time and credible expertise para sa atong pagpili sa Binibining Kinumansor 2024. And the certificate reads, this award is given in recognition for the invaluable contribution as member of the selection panel in the first ever Search for Binibining Kinumansor 2024 held on November 23, 2024 at Barangay Kinumansor Covered Court. Signed, Ricky G. Alduesa, Barangay Captain, and signed, Honorable John Fel D. Duhay Lungsod, SK Federation President and ex-official City Councilor. Thank you, Judge Fred Paulo U. Sumailo. We have this certificate for Judge Nicole C. Bukton. We also have Judge Kyle Liove, El Taiko. We also express our gratitude to Judge Jaime S. Tumada. And of course, Honorable Roland Dinky Suizo Jr., JD. And now we'll have the photo opportunity. Our judges are requested to be at the center. Ladies and gentlemen, the selection panel and our barangay officials. Let's give them another round of applause. Barangay Kinuman Sur, are you now ready to meet your new queen? At this very juncture, we will now be welcoming our top 5 Binibinis. And now, the moment that we all have been waiting and preparing for is finally here. After days of hard work and unwavering love, our phenomenal Binibinis have poured out their hearts and souls into this competition. From the training sessions, photo and video shoots, and the preliminary rounds, these empowered women have shown resilience, grace, and determination to get the crown. They've captivated our hearts, and tonight, their journey culminates on this very stage. One of these talented, intelligent, beautiful Binibinis will take the crown and carry the legacy as Binibining Kinuman Sur 2024. One more time, Barangay Kinuman Sur are now ready for the result! Make some noise! This moment will begin as I announce Binibining Kinuman Sur 2024 second runner-up.
To present the Binibining Kinuman Sur second runner-up, we call on stage Nicole Lastero together with Fred Paul Sumayo and Barangay Kagawan Honorable Pasky Cabreto, Honorable Felipe Robio, and Honorable Nico Lina. The winner will receive a crown, sash, bouquet, plaque, and cash prize.
Congratulations, as you are this year's second runner-up. She is Binibini number! Who do you think is the second runner-up? She is Binibini number 5! Second runner-up, I would like to thank our dear tabulators tonight. Thank you very much, John Burien Estrovilio, Sandra Service, Princess Belle Apostol, and my partner, our voiceover host, Ken Apostol. ladies, please hold your hands together because this is not the usual way of announcing the result.
To present the Bini Kinuman Sur first runner-up, may we call on stage Kylie Taiko, together with Barangay Kagawan, Honorable Giovanni Canilio, Honorable Arnel Avellaneda, Honorable Rolando Pinaso, and Honorable Romulo Albuqueza. The winner will receive a grand sash, bouquet, plaque, and cash prize.
Everyone, Binibining Kinuman Sur 2024 first runner-up is Binibini number! Congratulations, Binibini number 8! Just like any other pageant, the first runner-up plays a significant role because the moment that the Queen fails to fulfill her duties and responsibilities, she will take her place. After all the different segments and rounds, this phenomenal Binibini has impressed our judges and captivated our hearts and souls. Ladies and gentlemen, Binibining Kinuman Sur 2024 will be announced at this time.
To present the Bini Kinuman Sur 2024, may we close the stage Punong Barangay Honorable Ricky Albuqueza, together with SK Chairperson Honorable John Phil Duhay Lungsun, Mr. Jaime Tumala, and Chairman of the Board of Judges Honorable Dinky Suezo. The winner will receive a crown, sash, bouquet, plaque, and cash prize.
She has shown resilience, grace, determination, and superb intellect, deserving to be Binibining Kinuman Sur 2024. She is Binibini number 6.
Thank you.